Hi everyone, I'm Michael and today I want to show you how the Montreal Police Department website works. I have been studying police technology for 1 year at Antec College in order to become a police officer, of course. In police technology, we learn the law, how to defend ourselves, what to do with criminals, and everything a police officer needs to know. However, we don't talk much about criminality in Montreal, or even about Montreal Police Department in general. I have found an interesting website about Montreal Police Department where we can find information and discover more about it. Whether you are a police officer, a student, or simply a citizen, the Montreal Police Department website can be very interesting and very useful. The first step is to open a new tab and write spvm.qc.ca in the address bar. In the top left corner of the screen, there is the logo. At the top of the screen in the middle, there is the navigation menu. There is a lot of information on this website, but I will show you the most interesting for me. First, there are many neighborhoods in Montreal, which means different police stations. If you live in Anjou, for example, and you want to know where is your local police station, you click on Neighborhood Police at the top of the screen, in the middle, and then select Anjou in the Search by Neighborhood. The website will automatically tell you the address and the opening hours of the police station. You also have the opportunity to contact the police station by clicking on Write Us. Another interesting thing on this website as a police officer or even as a citizen is to be aware of the wanted people. To do so, you scroll to the top of the screen and click on Wanted Missing Persons in the navigation menu. Then you can look for missing persons, victims, wanted persons, and unsolved murders. Let's click on what to do if a person goes missing, because not too many people know what to do in this case, and it is very important. It explains what to do exactly. Do a quick search, call 911, and prepare a list of pertinent information. If it is a child, also call the Missing Children's Network at 514-843-4333. Also, tell your neighbors, friends, and family and ask for their help. Finally, since we don't know much about Montreal Police Department, the website can help us discover more on the police in Montreal. In the navigation menu, you click on Discover SPVM and Who Does What. There are many specialized units within the SPVM, as you can see on the left-hand side of the screen. For example, there is the Canine Unit, Forensic Identification Section, Sexual Exploitation of Children, and Specialized Investigations. If I click on Canine Unit, it explains what the unit is made up and what are their roles and responsibilities. You can look for information like this for any specialized unit you want to know more about. The Montreal Police Department website is very useful to look out for information and to learn more about the police job. I realize now that there are so many possibilities within the SPVM and that the website can be very useful. I suggest you to check out this website. You will find interesting information and things you surely didn't know.